In this quick tutorial, I'm about to show you guys how you can use ChatGPT as your digital assistant. So right now I am using Gemini as my assistant. As you guys can see that, this is a Gemini right now I'm using. So let's go to ChatGPT first, and then tap on this two line icon, then tap on your profile, then go ahead and tap on voice. So now just enable this option which is saying use as default assistant. So tap that. This will take you to digital assistant app. So now tap on digital assistant app and then select ChatGPT and press on OK. Now go back and make sure that this is turned on. Now whenever you try to open the digital assistant from home screen or wherever, it will open up the ChatGPT. As you guys can see that this is ChatGPT. So hello ChatGPT, how are you?
Hey there, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
Well, that's it guys. This is how you should set the ChatGPT as your personal or digital assistant, and it's that simple. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.